Okay, here's another fairly early Suffolk Iron Foundry engine. Probably a late 50s Suffolk. You can see they've already started to add the pressing in the cowling for the bolts for the recoil starter. But this one has still got the old rope start and the bolt holes haven't been drilled in the cowling itself. So just a little example there of how Suffolk got the longest possible out of the parts bin. Carried on using their leftover rope start pulleys before they fully switched over to the recoil ignitions. So yeah, this engine had a little bit of a checkered past. It's obviously had a connecting rod let go at some point in the past and has come through the side of the block, and somebody has then patched it back together, put a new connecting rod on it, and I assume when they started it, it made a horrible noise and they never ran it again, and it just got confined to being an outside ornament. And it was like that for the better part of like 15 odd years. So when I got it, I didn't expect it to actually want to run, to be honest, but it didn't take too much to get it going. But when we got it going, it had a horrible knocking sound, and then eventually it lost compression altogether, and that knocking sound actually turned out to be a section of the camshaft which had snapped in two. And the way it snapped, because they run on an internal shaft, it still managed to run until we got it up to a bit of a higher RPM, and it finally let go again, and then we couldn't get any compression after that. But it's got another camshaft in it. That horrible knocking sound has long since gone. It's probably been a couple of years since this thing ran. We've got fuel in the carburetor. Choke is on. Let's see what happens. Little splatter.